Arctic sea ice has just hit its lowest winter maximum ever recorded, and this is not just a polar problem. Scientists warn that this sets the stage for an even faster summer melt, with global consequences for climate and weather systems. Here's the headline. This year, the Arctic winter sea ice peak measured 14.29 million square kilometres, slightly below last year's 14.31 million square kilometres. The National Snow and Ice Data Centre and NASA consider these 2 years statistically tied. The lowest winter maxima since satellite tracking began in 1979. Peak ice coverage was about 1.36 million square kilometres below the 1981 to 2010 average, roughly twice the size of Texas. NASA's ICESat to satellite also shows that much of this ice is thinner than usual, particularly in the Barents Sea northeast of Greenland and the Sea of Okhotsk near Japan and Russia. This record low peak comes amid historic heat worldwide. In the US, 16 states broke March temperature records, with some cities hotter than the previous April highs. Mexico, Australia, Northern Africa and parts of Europe also experienced unprecedented heat. At the same time, Antarctica recorded its coldest March day ever, at -76.4 degrees Celsius, showing how extremes are hitting both poles. Arctic wildlife is already under stress. Animals like walruses, seals, and polar bears rely on sea ice for hunting, breeding, and resting. Thinner ice and smaller winter coverage force them into smaller areas, making it harder to survive and reproduce. The winter sea ice maximum is a key climate indicator. Less ice means the oceans absorb more solar heat, accelerating warming. This can influence jet streams and contribute to extreme weather worldwide. Scientists stress that while a single year doesn't define the trend, the long-term decline since 1979 is clear, and the Arctic is warming faster than much of the planet. From shrinking ice to record-breaking heat, the Arctic is sending a global warning. Share this story. Stay informed and think about how human actions drive climate change and what we can do to slow it down. This is Environment, Eyepiece, bringing the science behind our changing planet into focus.